oranges are of course bigger than lemons and much bigger than limes, and therefore we should expect to get more pieces out of this also. So we're going to cut this nice and level, so we're going to cut the end off one end, there we go, and cut the end off the other end, like so, and then we're going to cut this straight down the middle. So there we have it. Then in each half, we're going to again cut across into wedges. So I usually get 5 wedges. Again, we'll go turn it around to keep it nice and stable, and then hopefully with those cuts we'll end up with 5 pieces. And of course, like I said before, if you want to make these a uniform size, you just cut out the core, and then you're going to have every single piece of your orange is going to be the same size, which is obviously perfect for garnishing drinks with consistency.